In this video, we'll compare two giant companies, Revolut and Monzo. At the end of this video, you'll know exactly what company is the most suitable as for you. We'll take a look at their account options, fees, exchange rate, spending abroad options, protection, reviews, and we'll make a summary. So basically, Revolut is not registered in the UK and Monzo is registered. Also, Revolut doesn't provide us the opportunity to use FSCS protection, and Monzo does. But both of them provide us the opportunity to create personal account and also business account. Also, we can easily order cards by Revolut and Monzo. But for example, on Monzo, we can easily create overdraft or personal loan, and Revolut doesn't provide these features. We can also manage money with Revolut and Monzo. We can round up spendings. It's like a fee free for spending abroad. As for Revolut, it's free up to £1,000 per month, and for Monzo, it's completely free. Is it fee free cash withdrawals abroad and in the UK? So basically, we can easily withdraw up to £200 per month on Revolut, and free up to £200 per month outside of European zone, and free up to 250 months in the UK or European zone as for Monzo. Cash deposits or check deposits are available for Monzo, are not available as for Revolut. But both services provide us the opportunity to access to an interest earning savings account. We can also connect other bank accounts to the app with a Revolut and with a Monzo Plus or a premium feature. Both services are available to use with Apple Pay and Google Pay. And also, if you're going to speak about insurance policies, we can use it for Revolut and also for Monzo premium features. So Revolut and Monzo are really similar in their setup and design, and they both offer a lot of different money managing features, so we can get the most out of our money each month. We can also earn interest on our savings with both Revolut and Monzo. With Revolut, you can do this via a saving vault, and depending on the Revolut plan, we can earn up to 4.75% interest. And with Monzo, we can earn up to 5.45% interest, depending on the account we open. So if we want to deposit cash or checks into our account, Monzo will be a better option, as Revolut does not accept cash or check deposits. So Revolut and Monzo both provide us personal account, but for Revolut, it's impossible to create a joint account. We can create business account, and for Monzo, we can create a teen account like 16 and 17 years old. But Revolut is available for kids account like 6 to 17, and Monzo is not available for this. Also on Revolut, we can create multi-currency account. So both Revolut and Monzo have a number of different accounts we can create and easily use, but according to your purposes, sometimes it could be better to use Monzo or Revolut instead. If you're going to speak about Revolut and Monzo fees, they don't have any monthly account fee, but they have their subscription account plans. So for Revolut, it's like £3, £7, £13 and £45 per month, depending on your subscription account plan. And for Monzo, we have two plans with £5 and £15 per month. If we're going to speak about fee-free spending abroad, for Revolut, it's free up to £1,000 per month, and then up to 1% fee. For Monzo, there is no charge. ATM withdrawal abroad, for Revolut, it's like 2% fee and minimum £1 over 5 withdrawals, or 200 pounds per month. And for Monzo, it's free up to 200 pounds per month outside the European zone. Also, we can do international transfers. On the Revolut, it varies depending on the currency. You can calculate it on their website. And also for Monzo, we can send an international money transfer via Wise. Fee information we can also find on Wise website. So for depositing cash, Revolut doesn't accept cash deposits, and for Monzo, we have a limited commission for £1 per deposit. And the replacement debit card, if you want to replace it for Revolut, you'll have to pay £5 plus delivery fee. And for Monzo, 2 free replacement, then £5 whether they're in the UK, and £13 fee if lost abroad. So if you're going to spend abroad, Revolut has like fees for fee-free spending abroad, and Monzo does not have them. And what about FSCC protection? So Monzo is UK registered bank, so it has like protection, but Revolut doesn't provide us this opportunity. For Revolut, we can also enable cashback, opportunity to earn up to 10% cashback on accommodation with Revolut stays, and Monzo doesn't provide this opportunity. And if we're going to speak about savings, both companies provide us the opportunity to use saving pots around up spending and saving account. So if we're going to speak about interest rate on Revolut, it's about like 2.3% to 4.7%. Depending on the plan, and for Monzo it's like between 3.7 and 5.4%. Basically, if we're going to speak about customer reviews on Trustpilot, Revolut has 4.3 out of 5 and Monzo has 4.2 out of 5, which is like pretty cool. So both of them are really good. So in conclusion, we can say that Revolut and Monzo are very similar in the features that they offer to customers, but the biggest drawback with Revolut is that it's not a UK registered bank account. So maybe if you like want FSCC protection, it's better for you to use Monzo. If you want to use Revolut and Monzo abroad, there is a little difference between the two, but basically nothing really big in difference. If you want to withdraw cash, both Revolut and Monzo have restrictions on fee-free cash withdrawals, but Revolut is cheaper if you exceed the limit. The other difference between the two is the exchange rate that use than spending abroad. Revolut uses like interbank rate, while Monzo uses the MasterCard rate. So in conclusion, we can say that both of them are really good, and depending on your purposes, you need to choose between them.